will spend money to do the pamper them, treat them, give them royal.
Our army them don't really catch them.
Good. The government will not say they are rehabilitating them. In fact, they'll be wondering why these terrorists and the bandits and whoever have been holding this country hostage for the past 15 years. And you have a military chief, because this kind of thing cannot happen in Canada. What is this terrorists in Nigeria? Precious.
Sir?
We are the one that invited them. You know when these people went outside there to go and bring the terrorists. Now look at what everybody is saying. We are fighting. They are fighting for us. They are here. How did they come about in the first place? You want to come and influence their country? Precious.
Sir?
Listen very well.
Okay, sir.
Something happened many years ago. They sent some Nigerian military men to Russia, Soviet, to go and study, go for a course. You know what they wrote in one of them? This.
Yeah, I see your comment. Okay, let's just wait for some minutes. At least let's wait for 2-3 minutes before we start. But just let's listen to this our brother and the message he has for us. Let's just play his voice and I will join you. We're going to start in a few minutes from now so that others will join us. Just as you are coming in, click on like button, like the video. Okay, like the video. Let's see. Oluchi is here, and Candy, I see you. 2 of you have made a comment. Please click on the like button. Okay.
This man is not trainable.
Hey! That's nothing go enter. That is coconut.
In somebody that had a summarized soul.
Hey! Now YouTube this
President, I said the same man in Russia who wrote that thing came to Nigeria and saw the same person as a leader in this country.
That is the same man for Russia. Where the Nigerian military people go to training for hand. Where call right say this person no dey trainable. That is in head, not in letter. And that same person I come from Nigeria years later when I say the person are one of our leaders.
Good, they come we have 4-star general for Iraq.
Hey, how they use promoter if you know they trainable for Russia?
Don't be here. They say somebody can even lead us with the NEPA bill, even if you don't go school. A leader in a country, you forge a certificate from a school that was not in existence. And you and I, we are. I mean, do you know the import of such behavior pressure? Do you know? Do you see why some of us are shouting for us too? But the real person was the one who told us that the military are selling arms to terrorists. Now the same Robert is defending a military chief that they deny visa in Canada.
Oh, thank you so much. We are Biafran Summons. Biafran. Thank you for you say you are the first to click on like button. So I was thinking that Candy and Oluchi are the one, but since you said you are the one, I believe you. Thank you so much for that.
After you have already met them up here, can you imagine? We don't have one single person who can say, this person, this one is exceptional. At least in this people government, this man is good. Nobody.
Okay, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? Please, we are live. You are joining us, click on like button. So this hour, we are going to go through some of the things that we're supposed to talk about. I have seen many comments based on our live stream yesterday, where we talk about the return of Caterpillar, which some of you misunderstood everything I said there. And I just kept quiet for me to have this opportunity to respond to some of the comments. And that's what I'm going to go through as we speak. So if you're one of those that have made comment there, I will try my best to respond to. Some of them I have responded to them, some I have not. I'm not supposed to, come live at this hour to talk about Caterpillar issue or not. I made it clear yesterday, I'm not in support of Caterpillar returning. What I was trying to let us know is that in as much as we hate to see him back, okay, you still have the chance to share your grievances, your hate on him. Okay, but remember, you are not piloting the affairs of Biafra at the moment. You are not a leader. So giving the leader a chance to do what they think is good is what I was trying to let us know. That you don't just, go out on government to attack government because you don't like Caterpillar. Then I tried my best to see if I can give some reasons why he returned or why they brought him back. That is where some of you got it wrong. Some of you actually believe that I am advocating for his stay and his reintegration to government. I don't have the power. I am not in a cabinet member. I am not in the government. So my opinion is my personal opinion. But some of you actually believe that I have this monopoly, this power to strike a deal or I don't know what you think of me. But that's why we are here. Let me state my stand again. I don't know Caterpillar. Okay? I don't know anything about him. If you show me his picture and I don't, even his voice, I cannot tell you this is his voice. In fact, I can tell you the Butozo voice than Caterpillar voice. Now, because I am not an insider, I don't know why it's so difficult for you people to understand this. I am not an insider. Now, most of you say something that I'm going to read out, few of them, okay? And I have listed some broadcasters. I have listed some content creators and their own opinion, of course. Like I said, I respect your opinion, but can you respect mine as well? I am not saying you should not air your opinion on Caterpillar. In fact, I am in support of what you are saying. But the only difference is that I cannot, support you to pick battle with the government because of praise of Caterpillar. That is not good. My own humble opinion. Some of you started insulting me. There's one lady that said that that because of my stream, my comment and my opinion, that she will start looking at me with one eye. That statement got me, I don't want to say worried, but I felt so bad about it. Why? You see, whether you are looking at me with one eye or two eyes, I don't know if you are looking at me with one eye or two eyes. The people that I respect are those that are following me, those that subscribe to me, to my platform. If you are not a subscriber to my platform, I don't know anything about you. So people that I consider as my family are those that are following my platform. Okay? But that does not mean that I don't respect you as a Biafran. So if you are commenting and you are very easy to insult, and even if you don't understand what I said, you should ask questions. Some of them don't even watch the video. They go on comment section, they see that other people are commenting, they want to comment. Because some of them, so one of them said that how can I be supporting somebody that they spell? I never for once in that video said that I'm supporting presence of Caterpillar. I was telling you that people have reasons. That government may have a genuine reason. You are not in government. That's what is called intelligent information. You don't have it. Government may have it. Then somebody reached out to me and told me a lot about what happened, which I'm not going to tell you here. And if I'm to tell you, some of you will start apologizing because there's a valid reason why they choose to do that. But it is not my responsibility to start telling you that. But I still respect your opinion. You don't like him. I also don't like him. Why I don't like him? Because what people, the rumor, because I don't have any evidence against him either. My brother Armstrong is here. Okay, Ezekiel, I see you guys. If I have not mentioned your name, please pardon me. Ikechuku Melo, I see you guys. Some of you don't know how to calm down, to digest information. You want government to come out on social media, start telling you the classified information they have, so that you will not misunderstand everything. I'm not here to defend government. It is not my duty. I'm just trying to tell you reason why I said mellow down. Now I have to appreciate Remedios for the first time here on this platform. Why? I watched his video. His understanding and reasoning is one of the best. Exodus Biafra TV, my brother. Nice to have you. I'm not coming in Maya. I'm not coming in Maya. Nice to see you. So let me just say something. And that video made me to, you know, it made, in fact, it added more. I felt like I like him more than before. I like him before, to be honest with you. But his video today, he said something I'm going to share with you, and that was the reason. In fact, that is what I want you to understand. He said that he don't, in as much as he don't like Caterpillar, he's agitating about his presence, but he cannot fight the government because of that. That statement alone is what I want everybody to see through that. Okay? And for some of you that, if you don't know, Gaddafi, you can't compare Gaddafi with Caterpillar. Caterpillar is different from Gaddafi. And I said something like that yesterday. Somebody who is on ground, you can't compare it to somebody who can be one of the administrative officer like that. There's an ocean difference between the two. If you know, you know. Now, let me just say something, that even if government would decide to bring Gaddafi back, that he will not gonna fight government. That side, to me, I will voice out. I don't hate Gaddafi, but I don't see the reason in issue of Gaddafi own. If Gaddafi love what CS is doing or any Biafra is doing, that's okay. But bringing him to the cabinet, you know. Why? Because you can have replacement. But when it comes to men on ground, the only thing you need to understand is the advice that I was expecting from Biafrans to government is they should just be careful. Because the same Gaddafi, the reason why I don't like Gaddafi, I always say Gaddafi, sorry, Caterpillar. The reason why I don't support him coming back is because he had been with Mas Namorokano and he was sacked. During the time of Mas Namorokano, they sacked him. PM brought him back and later sacked him. That simply means he has a very dubious character, right? But as Mobosambu dig a number, Camolibia. If you check the record, you may say, yeah, the first one benefit him, second one benefit him. You never know about the third one. And I don't want to say anything about it because I am not an insider. So one thing I want to understand is that I am not in support of him, bringing him back. I'm not in support. But let us not judge because we don't know the reason or what the government are doing, why they did what they did. Okay? What they have done about him coming back is I don't know. So why are you guys going out trying to condemn me as if I'm the one that brought him back? Anyway, let me go to the comments. This person said, I don't know who Caterpillar is, and I don't know why our Prime Minister sacked him in the first place. USB government should proceed, okay, consciously with the Caterpillar and determine what he is up to. Let me open it properly because if he sincerely places his loyalty to USB government, I think he should be given. He should be given a chance. However, he shouldn't be involved in policy making decisions yet. The most important thing now is consolidating our only one USB. Our foremost goal is actualization of Biafra freedom by driving away foreign occupiers. Biafra need all hands on decks. You see the mature comment here? Now, let's go. Okay, I don't want to read any comment that called any broadcaster's name. I'm not gonna read it. No, these two comments. No, I can't go through this one. So just bear with me because I want to highlight some of the comments that actually caught my attention, that caught my attention. So I have to go through it to respond to them because some of them actually believe that I have one power to do and undo. Okay, and I don't like such comments. And some of you that says, "Oh, I'm going to unsubscribe. I want to subscribe to you now." What are you telling me? You don't need to tell me if you want to unsubscribe. Okay, because I air my own opinion. Did I block you when you make your own opinion? The answer is no. Though you see the mentality of some people. So you are saying that, look at this comment. You are saying that releasing Boko Haram to fight Biafra is right. Can you see the mentality? He forgot which is Boko Haram benefiting me or against me. Releasing Boko Haram to fight for Sharia and Fulani, occupation is of benefit to Fulani people. You understand? So, but you see the way some people reason. Excuse me. Sorry about that. So you see the way people reason. You ask yourself, this thing that this person said here, what is a relationship between what is going on and this kind of example that he or she gave here? He said, so you are saying that Nigeria releasing Boko Haram to fight Biafran is right. It is right for Nigerians who want to achieve something, not for me. You see? Now let's go. You guys will run this government alone. Somebody is saying, you guys will run because of the presence of the caterpillar. He or she, I don't know, he said his name is John. Johnny Oluchi. Maybe he's a woman, I don't know. That they will run the government alone for just this statement. Then Christiana said, how can you accept one that how can you accept one that everyone is talking bad of listening to the voice of the people? One bad person cannot bring Biafra for us. Leave that man alone. Manage what you have, please. I said, somebody reached out to me. People that know something, not just anyway. Let me not go further. The person told me, about this, and one of the reasons is this. Let me just mention this. I'm not going to go in detail. The guy is capable of, fight. He's capable of raising, use his own people to attack. He have some materials. So this issue of segregation and all that is just like you are creating another department that is going to face you to attack you in future. But intelligent people swallow their pride to sit down and discuss to achieve something. Some of you that are shouting, like I told you, I'm not in support, but there are a lot of people that knows better to pilot the issue. After listening to some reasons, you may say, okay, you have let them know your own opinion. That if tomorrow, if anything happen, you tell them, I told you, right? But this issue of fighting without seeing any reason yet, I don't think it's good. I don't think it's good. In as much as we don't like it, can we just accept percent and see? Like I said, Master Kano, during the Master they sacked him. PM welcomed him, brought him back. Later sack him. Then seriously bringing him back. And from what I heard, the people that started making moves to contact him are in the group. Ask yourself, do you know why they are not laughing at anybody. I have checked social media. Some of them that are mocking out of ignorance because they don't know that their boss was the one working faster to bring him back to Ogengere group. That is what I was told. And COS and the group run faster and secure that. I don't know. Are you going to doubt that? People that brought Gaddafi, they would have brought this one without announcing it. You know that he's already with them. They have that kind of ability to keep the secret, unlike COS and government at this present time, because they have a lot of so we have a lot of people, a lot of basket mouth that can say anything just to, to leak information for fun. So that's what I was told that, and I said, okay, let me just calm down. In fact, I was before I did what I did yesterday, before that live stream yesterday, I already have that intel, but I just kept quiet. I just want to know the reaction. And to be honest with you, even after hearing the intel, I am still not in support of him coming back. But it is always good to understand that no matter how you think that you are smart, no matter how intelligent that you claim that you are, or you are very, very clever, somebody somewhere will be smarter than you. Do you understand? Somebody somewhere will be smarter than you. Let us learn how to allow people that are in the power to do something. Let them make a mistake before you complain. You can only, if you love them, what you should have done is warning. Not, I will pull you down, I will tear you apart if you dare try me. That statement is not something that you can't build a government with that kind of mentality. Everybody wants to be a leader when you already have a leader. So why then having a leader? Why then having a leader? Excuse me. So if you cannot give your leader chance to do what they can do. Happy Ume, my sister. Nice to have you. Good evening, your time. Good evening to you. Nice to have you. Nice to have you. So Igwe, I see you, Igwe, and who again? Okay, I think I have sent my greet to you. God is great forevermore. I see you. God, and who again? Frank, I see you, Franca. Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining me this hour. This is late hour broadcast. I don't even know. Okay, today is weekend. Most of you will be awake because tomorrow is Saturday. It's Saturday already, right? So this is Saturday. Anyway, sometimes you don't need to show your strength. You allow people to do what you call them to do. And somebody said a sacked former cabinet member, whatever reason, should not be restated. I cannot side your opinion, Kai. Consider Van. Excuse me.
Welcome to Precious TV. You always see my belly today when I'm the motor. Some things that happen for inside our country. And just today for inside social media, the trend across all social media platforms. Say NSA, that is a National Security Advisor, Nuhu Ribadu, vex well for Canadian Pacific. Make Canadian Pacific go to hell. They can go to hell. Why? Because of the denying our Chief of Defense Staff. General Christopher Musa, Visa, and some other top military guys there. Because if you talk this one, when you say Christopher Musa talked today for inside event, where you say they happen for Abuja. So inside that event, that's why they talk about us. I say by now it's supposed to be in Canada for Vancouver for an event where they honor military veterans. They will say Canadian embassy denied them visa. And I say, but then they can go to hell. Say in fact, a blessing because he did pay for. He said he did disrespectful for a Canadian embassy to see such a caliber of person come deny him visa alongside the other even the way BC full. So now the matter what carry come grab it. It's very sadly. In fact, we could just watch Christopher Musa as he take talk exactly what he talk, and then we'll go back to look at what Noble Rebado respond to.
I was actually meant to by yesterday have been in Canada, Vancouver, Canada. There's an event to honor our veterans, those that were injured during battle. Remember last year the Duke of Sussex visited Nigeria with his wife. Through the Invictus, they have a foundation that they try to raise the morale of troops all over the world that have suffered one form of deformity or the other in the cause of defending their individual country. So we're supposed to be there. And actually, half of my team have already gone, but unfortunately, the Canadian embassy, for knowledge best known to them, denied us visa. So I wasn't sure, and so I wanted to be silent about it.
So you don't hear as Chief of Defense Staff General Christopher Musa used to talk about how they won't travel for a certain thing and then to Vancouver for an event on military veterans and how they used to deny the visa.
Okay, let's go back to the topic. Sorry about that. I have to attend to something. Anyway, Franca, I hear you, and that is why we are here. We are not here to. I'm not here to tell you, please accept him. Please accept him. That's not what the broadcast is all about. Even though some of you love to twist some people's words, when I read some comments, my goodness, it is shocking. I'm not saying you. I'm talking about Biafran people. Okay, they love to twist some comments. So if you say something, they would love to twist it. Okay, and we don't need him. He said, Franca said, you don't need him. You don't need him in this. Please, you should think very well. This guy has done too many things. On Kagwa again, on Kagwa, he man can do some Windows committee. Anyway, let me just. I agree with you. Okay. Nkem said. A such former cabinet member, whatever reason, should not be reinstated. I cannot side your opinion, Kai. Consider Vam and the rest. What are their activities now? Isn't it sell out, sabo, and destruction of cabinets because a sabo is a sabo? Not two way about it. Okay, no two way about it, and you are making a point. But Vam is even if you don't like what he's saying, some people like him. So I understand what you are saying, but we need to understand that Sabo, there's no way we eradicate Sabo. No way to eradicate Sabo is not possible. Bible said for all, if you're a Christian, you understand better. In every gathering of 12, there must be Judas. That's what they say, not Bible, but that's just a kind of proverb. But Sabo, Judas is Sabo. So in every gathering of 12, you will have one Sabo. So how many are we in Biafra land? Multiply it. Then you get how many Sabo? Every 12, like in garden of 12, you have Sabo. So if you have how many million that we have in Biafra land, do you know how many? If you pick one Sabo in 12, how many people are Sabo? So you cannot eradicate it. And everyone have Sabo. The only thing you can do is to limit Sabo oppression. To limit it, not to eradicate it. You can't eradicate it. Somebody who is very nice to you, who is well dedicated, may decide to work as a sabo tomorrow simply because you have different opinion. Do you understand it? I am one of the major follower of Ike Guruago. Those days that he will be broadcasting from his attachment shop. Some of you may know what I'm talking about. He's one of the, I see him as one of the powerful media team of Biafra there. In fact, I don't joke with listen to his program. But when he turned around, I was like, am I seeing well? Is it the same guy? And things can change the human being. So Sabo is always there. The only thing you can do is to work on how to limit Sabo operation and avoid it. Left for me, I don't say Gaddafi will not be here. Based on the news and information that people are saying about him. But if you ask me, I will tell you, take him away. Instanta. But for the fact that I'm not in the cabinet to see what they're seeing that made them to bring him. Because you elected them, or you appoint them, or you choose them based on trust. So you cannot just take the trust away very, very fast. It simply means you did not trust them in the first place. That's what it means. So give them time and see. And let me look for those comments that are very, very. You are okay. Mr. Man, this Chichi. If I see you, if I know how to talk to you, I would have loved that. Chichi, this your name is already here. I want to see you any day that I'm live like this. I'm streaming live. I want to see this person comment. He said, Mr. Man, for you to supporting the coming back of Caterpillar, I am beginning to watch you with one eye. Now, wow, wonder shall never end. Why are you blaming Nigeria for recruiting Boko Haram to military and police? You are always used to bring I always use that to bring another Rama down. In fact, I'm out here. I'm out here. This is your TV from today. Mad people. I was thinking that you are different before. Chichichi. Are you getting the point? This person's comment is the reason why I said, okay, let me go through all the comments to know what people are saying. You see, the brain is what makes us human beings. Your brain, your heart, then other organs. But once anything happens to brain, you are just like the person will be just like an domestic animal. There's nothing different. Once the brain is affected, everything will turn upside down. And that you can use your brain to differentiate, few things does not mean that your brain is working. Anybody that listens to my broadcast from A to the end, to Z, from beginning to the end, will not fault me on anything. He said that I used to bring Adadarama down. I have never done any program about Adadarama. Never. I have something to say about maybe the way she talk and all that, which all of you do have your own. But for me to start talking about her and try to drag her down, no. In fact, I am following Adadarama. I do watch her program every day. That I don't comment or call does not mean that I don't watch her. I watch her program. I like what she's doing, but I cannot like everything that she says, the way she approaches some things, which of course she will not like the way I do my own. Of course, I know that she don't like everything about me. Even you that is watching me, do you like everything about me? I don't believe that. Even if you pretend, oh, Maz, I love you, I don't believe you. There's no way you can like everybody from, hey, are you my wife or my, what are you talking about? You must have something that you can point about me that you don't like. It's either my look, my voice, the way I talk, the way I react. You must have something. You cannot like me from A to Z. It's not possible because I'm not God. So the issue is, What is percentage of the what you know about me that you like and what you know about me that you hate? That's what matters. So using say that I use that to talk down it's simply me because you already have something to say about another Ramadan, so you are looking for someone to bring it up so that you can re-echo it within your memory and your brain. I'm not like you. You can use your platform to pick fights with Adad Rama. I don't do that. If I want to address Adad Rama, I can look for her number and call her instead of bringing her here and start talking about her. Not that if I talk about her, you beat me. You can't beat me. The only thing you can do is you are subscribed, like you said, that you are out from here. Some people don't understand. The program that I started by telling you that I'm not here to pick any fire, to bant anybody. That is my personal opinion. I took my time to let you know my stand. That what I'm saying here is my personal opinion. I did not tell you that that let us bet that he's here, come and push him down, that let us see. Why would I do that? When I am a preacher of people's choice. I told you that COS and Ogenkere, that the reason why Ogenkere should rethink, because people have already chosen COS, no matter what you say. So how can I just turn 360 and start telling you that people just don't matter? That if Caterpillar is here, let us not say anything. Did I tell you not to say anything? I only tell you that my worry is that the time that people started talking about a Caterpillar is close to the weekend during the fundraising. Then I don't like it. That's number one. Number two, I told us that if in as much as you don't like Caterpillar, can you just wait until you hear from government? That's what other developed countries do. They don't talk about their government just anyhow and criticize. Sometimes, even if you don't like it, like I gave an example in that video, that people who live in UK citizens, many of them don't like the presence of this Befa. But have you seen them on YouTube broadcasting about that? That doesn't mean they like it. So if you want me to come here and start telling you, let us rally around and go to attack US, you know that you have somebody somewhere. You have somebody somewhere that are waiting to hear anything against US to drag her down. So why must you pick that chance to talk about it? Yes, don't forget, because sometimes because of the brain, you refuse to hold what I just said, that you have right to say to air your opinion. It is well respected. I appreciate that. I'm not here to tell you, come shut up. Some of them actually told me to shut up on my own platform. I'm not I should shut up. I did not insult you. I did not say call for your head. I did not say you are idiot or anything. I told you what you are saying is true. That I also feel the same way you are feeling. I know that nobody wants to see that kind of thing. But none of them care to talk about why are we going back to why is US going to talk to this Caterpillar. You forgot that Ogenkere and Sona Parawa, their drag and their problem they brought on social media is the reason why CS was looking for a way to lay hand to start from somewhere. Nobody wants to remember that one anymore. You think that if after Biafra redeclaration, everything was flowing very well, smoothly, people with unity was so awesome and everything was moving fine, you actually believe that CS will start looking for where's Caterpillar. No, something triggered that. So anything that you are seeing today, you should channel your anger to the source. In as much as you hate it, ask yourself what is going on, because Ogenkere and their group have done a lot of damages. If me that I don't like to call people name to, you think I derive joy by calling people name and tell you that I don't like what I did publicly, when I know that that person will already hate me, don't like me, because I'm talking about what he's doing. But for me to go to that extent, it simply means that I don't like it. Someone said, do you actually own this explanation? Yes, I own the explanation because they're listening to me. I own the explanation. I cannot move move from talking precisely Ogenkere for not addressing people to explain himself. Then I will use my own platform to start ignoring people's opinion. No, I'm not arrogant. I have to after my explanation. If you don't want, then I can move forward. But I own them explanation. That's not the fact, because one thing is that people is having people that listen to you. When you have somebody that listens to you, you have to explain yourself to them. you have to accord them that respect. So I know some of you tell me, oh no, don't talk. I have to explain to them. You may see it as a street movement, or that I'm just gullible. I don't have anything to say or to do. I do have something to say or to do, but let me accord them that respect, because they are my followers. They're following my platform. I cannot just because the opinion is nonsense. No, I have to explain myself to them that this is my stand on that. Unity is the key, whether you like it or not. Anything that will unify Igbos in general, then you will see me there. Anything that will unify, common interests of our people, you will see me there. Why will I be, because of my personal, because I hate so person, and I want to bring disunity more in our midst? No, I don't mind to take that pain. My heart will be boring to see this person in our midst. But for peace to reign, I will keep quiet and forge ahead, praying that this danger will not come, for the sake of our people, for the unity. Because this, in as much as we are free, maybe in your country of residence, you're okay. But each time you see people being massacred in our land, how will you feel? Or not because of it being as a gifi couple of things you could. He said, Ikechuku, thank you so much for that. Some of us, thank you guys. Some of us need to understand that it is not easy to lead our people. One of the major things, because I got dog bam bam bam, and when you see people talking, not one if not their brother, it's not because they have better things to say or to do. Sometimes it's just because they want to drag you down. Because once you put somebody who is up there down, the seat will be vacant. They want to elevate themselves to replace you. But it is your duty to know how to resist them and avoid issues that will bring problem. Only these few months argument between Ogenker and CS, everybody's people need to now a constant for just something that has to do with for everybody's interest. People are brilliant easy as if they're only about their family business. Why must it be like that? So I cannot stand any further division, to be honest with you. No. This one is giving everybody hit. Even though we are not part of it, we are not in the decision-making committee, anything. Chichi, I see you. OC, I see you. And Chibike, Miracle. Okay, Ezike, I see you guys. So we need to avoid further problem. One of the worst things that will happen to everybody now. That's why I said I am sending my shout out to Rebejius for the video that he made today. He's one that actually talked about Caterpillar for the first time to my hearing. Those days, I follow him a lot. Even to today, I still follow him. Sometimes he says something out of anger. Like I said, our behavior is differs. I cannot be used because I can digest things calmly, and I expect everybody to do the same thing. That is madness. So that is the way he is, and I respect him for that. But what I love about him is that he ability to recall back to continue where he stopped. That guy is truly, he's truly in for the freedom of Biafra. That's just the fact. Even if sometimes you don't like what he said, but for him to recall back and understand some issue, none of you that comment this nonsense, not to you that are watching me, please. Those one I'm like, Chichiji, this lady or this guy, I don't know who he is. They don't know anything about Caterpillar to compare images. But for images to tell you that in as much as he hates to see this guy, not because he hates him, maybe they have personal problem, but he had this fear that this guy could do something bad again to put the life of our people at risk again. Very vital reason. But he still understand, in as much as he can pass that, he pass that message to government to consider, to understand what is the danger at hand. He still give chance for them to prove otherwise. That is a true citizen, somebody who understands how government is being run, and I respect him for that. Very, very, very nice. When I watch it, I will say, wow. Even though he said that that he will not be surprised to see Gaddafi back. No, don't expect Gaddafi. If Gaddafi comes back, then we can talk louder than this one, because that one there's no reason whatsoever. So please, my people, if you are one of those that misunderstood that my statement yesterday about it, I am here to repeat myself just for you to understand that we are one. I'm not against decision of people. I was only trying to tell you to calm down and let's hear government. Don't expect them to come online to start explaining everything to you, because if you actually love government, you should understand. Just learn how to decode some things, okay? Because if they come out and start telling you everything, it simply means they are passing the information to those that are not. The information is not meant to them. Can I report why was he sacked? Somebody is asking. In the first place, the COS must treat with caution. Treat with caution to avoid moss. Okay, I think I have gone through this one before. That is from Duro Clifford, and this person called Real Life is another person that have coconut water. He said this man does not really understand himself. Talking about me, talking about releasing a prisoner to fight for government. Yes, it is not. I'm not saying that it can be done. That is what country do. Is that you have not fought for, or have not fought war, or been in a country that fight for their freedom or for their survival, does not mean that it is not what people do. Okay, he's here doubting what I said. That countries that fought war or that been in a war before, and that war they always go back to prison to release men to fight for them. So I don't know what is wrong about it. He started by calling me this man. A few days ago, he was calling me my brother. Well done, thank you. You see our people. That's why when they're praising you, look twice. Don't take it to heart, because they can turn against you anytime, and it's not gonna be easy. So don't use the love that's showering on you and think that you have people with you. When brother, my dear, nobody's with you. Don't believe that you. And the cake the first primary purpose is to have to bring you down. That's our people. Yes, it's not good, but I have to say it. This man does not really understand himself. Talking about releasing prisoners to fight for the government, the man we are talking about is a man who have sabotaged, commit all manner of atrocities, and even till now continue to attack PM, and he wants to serve in government, which is being headed by our PM. Please, Oga, be sincere with your self-assuming. We self-assumption, I think what he said, self-assume. Okay. No command, no full stop. Now I understand what he wants to say. He said, please, Oga, be sincere with yourself. Assuming Izogenkere is the one in this mission, this general advice, according to you, will not be done. Who is fooling who? Now, let me tell you, if Ogenkere is the one that decide to bring Caterpillar back, why are we criticizing him the way I'm criticizing now, or more? I will criticize him more if because of who Ogenkere is, not because, like I said now, I am not telling you let us wave green lights for CS of USB to carry on and take a Caterpillar to wherever they want. No, you have already commented. You have already let your complaint. Let them know, which everybody have done and are still doing it. I did not say please don't say that. Please keep quiet, don't talk. Did I say that? The answer is no. But I was telling you, I was trying to cook up, my own imagination to tell you because the intent they gave to me is not about what Caterpillar is coming to do. The thing is that What they shared to me is what I just told you. And the person that told me that, you know, he's the one that reached out to me. He told me something about it. Okay. Then when he said that, I said, okay. But if that thing that he told me did not flush away my own stand and my reason. But do you think it is wise to start? You have told the government this is that this is what you can see. This is what you can see. For example, this is what you know. You don't like this. You don't like that. Then wait. They said no. Yeah, that I am giving excuses and to approve it, to do this and to do that. As in what? Do I have the power? If it is in my power, once I hear that people are criticizing that, I will stop that. I am saying that because I don't know those that brought him in. No, I don't even know the capacity of the work going on. Do you actually know what they're facing? Some of you making comments and criticizing me and saying all these things, you have not been in front line of any major protest, let alone in the war, like major crisis. You have not been in the front line to know what it takes. The man have committed a lot of atrocities according to people, that they have done have caused a lot of havoc. Then what do you expect? I should start clapping that he's here. Why would I do that? But I cannot cross my boundary. Yes. Let me just leave it there. Okay? And for some of you, comparing it with Boko Haram is laughable. You forgot that some people that brought Boko Haram to their own advantage. To their own advantage. You, that Boko Haram is seen as the enemy, should be the one complaining. So it can't compare the two. They are totally different things. Totally different. There's no way you can compare the two. Bringing a class squad, Caterpillar, back. That's another comment. To this movement now is big sabotage, because if follow someone very well, like if you follow, not put it well, very well, and follow him very well, and activities of this Caterpillar is more dangerous than ever. Did you know very well activities of Caterpillar after eating our money, call Samonapa criminal from one platform after another, telling us that he will buy Samonapa. Anyone working with Samonapa, this Caterpillar is always on Ikenga Urago talking evil against someone and his activities. Honestly, if Caterpillar joined these people, I will tell you that this government is not ready. So Caterpillar is also China's Awurus and US boy. This same guy still calls Samonekpa criminal because he said that Mazin Namorikano said if woman join at the same time, saying all these men fighting for freedom is criminal. He did not exclude PM, which he has called Simon Ekpa criminal in every program he made. I'm not denying that. Like I told you, he started from us and they sacked him there. PM now called him back. That's what I was told. And meaning that he had been here for all this while. I don't want to, there's something that I want to say, but if I say it, it will be as if I am threatening someone. You understand? So let me not just say it. But like I said, let us condemn it and let the government know that this thing, there's danger ahead. Mana anybody go kwasi no boss ninne bobo so yoshi. But one day bobo so ye wono. Oye mama. Now let's go. Nobody is discouraging anybody. Because I said that that this kind of comment is the way of discouraging people from contributing, because today is fundraising being Saturday. So if this idea of every week one dust they'll be raising one dust from every corner is not a good idea to me. Tina said Chiamaka Jere said more water things than Caterpillar. Yes, Simon made Chiamaka Deputy Minister of Information. My sister, how come out this? They will say that we are promoting Caterpillar to come back. Do you know that Chiamaka said that that Dafra will buy someone? Dafra, not like he want me to bring I have the video. Do you want to see it? So let us know. Many people, let me not go there. People that are calling, that are saying all manner of things now. Okay, now. There are some comments they made in the past that I still have, but I see, like I said, the target and the number one primary purpose of everybody now should be unification. Okay, because as na atụchawa ife dị n'ajị onye yi aja gbara ọtọ, so ọ bụrụ ife niile ka ị ga-anọ wee mee ka ife ife na onye wu ụgbaka ada mee ka ọtacha ụkpaka niile mmiri, because ime ka ịghọtacha ụkpaka gị niile mmiri ị ga-anọ na na-ene n'ụzọ ụfọdụ okwu ndị Igbo. So ọ bụrụ na eme mara, but some of us don't. Anyway, let's continue. Remember, let me repeat myself again before the commentators are done. I am not in support of Caterpillar to come back to government. Reason being the same thing that you yourself have, which is buying of people, what they have done in the past, what he said. But come to think of it, if he actually don't believe in PM, now he's working for PM. So as a Christian, there's this prayer that they normally pray in the church, like your enemy will walk in your favor. Your enemy will walk in your favor. Anyway, anyone bringing Caterpillar back is one of the Simon Ekpa worst enemy. That person is worse than DOS, because these guys betray Simon Ekpa with his full chest. At the same time, brag about it openly, support DS Ikengo Rago. Are you aware Ikenga made a post about Gentle? Do you think Caterpillar will sell his loyalty to Ikenga and Nigerian government reject this one? And some of you, like I said, you are not in. You don't even know how the army operates, anything about army. You don't know anything, like I don't know as well. But I think they are not in the same camp, right? Or are they in the same camp? Maybe you some of you may, if you know, you can put your comment. I don't know. I don't think so. And Mr. Kai Caterpillar is Ikengo Rago's right-hand man. They send him to come into government for a reason. He did a lot of uncountable things. The same. Everybody saying the same thing. Everybody, just few people. But someone is asking, did Butoso complain about him? If it is true that he's back, that means that Butoso allowed it. That's another point. How do you know that he is not coming to sabotage? He is still with the Nigerian government, right? Okay, that's another person. Who bad gets where he, I don't know, this comment, this American man English guy, or one at a time. And somebody said, but Remigius has been there. That is why he talked. There is sense in your point, in your talk. Kind of go in line with what my own statement. Let us proceed with caution, Beacon. Very good advice. So a lot of comment here, and this person, the other person that made a comment that I want to read, that is this one. He said, Mr. Kai report, thank you for all this explanation, but this look like a red flag. Another man said there is a sabo in defense, and it is the defense that has brought in this caterpillar guy. Jafra is too fragile to face another backstabbing, which may be imminent as this move may be. Anyway, another point, of course, Everything you guys are saying here is okay. I said, Kai, read my response, Biko. Caterpillar should ignore them and focus on doing the needful. Biafran will be the one called him our angel. Yeah, but let's see the outcome. But always still like an obala, always still like an obala in order. And like I said yesterday, somebody the wise hammer like each at the back. As long as your hand is stained with your own people's blood, you can each at the back because it's here with Gibania. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. But Kai, in other countries, conscription, they don't have saboteurs. So, Kai, please listen to the voice of the people. Our defense secretary should be careful, especially the issue of betrayal. Thanks. I don't have any point. My own, I don't have any power, my dear, to listen to voice of people. Of course, I do listen to the voice of people. It's not that people don't know that I listen to them. Few of them, not everybody. Some understand it very, very well. And Kai. The issue is that he threatened our PM in the past, and I heard him yesterday saying that the present DPM's US is going to be better to our PM, better than our PM. I believe that's what he was saying. That did not go well. This guy by people, and he worked with PM's enemies. Example, Urago. In a movement like this, my people, let me say this: you don't have permanent enemy and permanent friend. No, unless you want to repeat mistakes every now and then. You can't go Rag is the enemy, full time enemy to Biafran, to Mas Amanepa, and many other people. Yes. So you can never tell. What of Ikenga feel? Maybe he felt bad about his guy joining, and he decided to be the one to buy him. All of car was enemy. It was a problem. Are you getting the point? So let us not just celebrate or run too fast. I wanted to, be angry with some of these comments. But the second thought, we have different understanding. So sometimes you need to allow them to be who God made them to be. One bohike. What are coming female? But I can say exactly that women coming out means Biafra is here. So Caterpillar was right. But Caterpillar, the only thing is that let us not pretend that Caterpillar have not done something terrible. He have done according to what people are saying, which I myself don't have any evidence to back it up. You understand? Because your comment on your own comment on comment section is different from the one I'm making on video. You understand? So I have to be real to tell you the truth about what I feel and what I think about the whole thing. Some of these comments are new, like this one is just 30 minutes ago. Okay, so we are broadcasting and he's making comments on that yesterday's videos. Anyway, my people, let's go back to the program. I'm done with the comment section from that video of yesterday. And some people that say, like that Chichiji, I know that he or she is no more here. Okay, which is good. If you want, I care about people that follow me, like I said. But this idea of acting as if before you want to go, you let me know that, I want to go, I will subscribe from your platform now. When you subscribe, you do not tell me that you subscribe. So why telling me when you're going? I care about people that follow me. So that's why I have to explain everything for people to understand. So let me go to comment on this live stream. Let's start. Let me go to the comment before we come to an end, because why I'm really commenting is because I don't have phone number for people to call in yet. Otherwise, I would have just asked you to call in and put your own. But comment section is where we are going to rely to get our own response in the live broadcast. Now we'll start from Ikechukwu Melo. Adadorama is now fighting against Biafra with that. No, don't say that. That she made her opinion does not mean that she's fighting against Biafra. All you can tell, like I said, the reaction, yes, some of the comments and the way she passed information it may be wrong, which she may claim that she's right. So, and to avoid this division, that is what people actually want to see, where you are fighting and tearing your people apart for minor argument, for simple that something that is can be managed. People are tearing, you want to tear yourself apart. Tina said, you guys don't even know why Adadorama chose Ngozi over Ogenkere, because she hates Ogenkere more than she hates Ngozi. So she has no choice. No, don't say that. Tina, she have a lot of choice. She can do other things. So Chibike, our government must be protected. That from Woke Zike. Yeah. Chibike said, but why did our people always tag their fellow Sabo? Very easy, my brother. Just that, for example, if you say yes, I say no, I think this is no. The why you say no is because of Sabo. Some of us don't know the meaning of Sabo, what it takes to be a Sabo. We actually believe that if somebody says something different from what you think or what you want them to say, the next word is Sabo. Okay, next stream can do manner the if I'm not working on before I don't regard it. I don't see it, but it is not good. It is not good. Like some of them, even people that follow that is in this government, can you imagine that somebody, because of this caterpillar issue, I have responded to that one because the comment that I just read that now, the one that I read now is those that have not responded. So because I set my chat box like if I reply to you, I'm not gonna it will just vanish to give all that new message space to come in. So what I just read now, the one I just read for you to hear is those ones that have not responded at all. There's a comment that I replied yesterday. He or she believed to be with COS, with USB, but this guy was busy telling me how much COS pay me to support Caterpillar to join back. I did not tell you that I support him. I was only trying to let you know. Anyway, let me not go there again because I have repeated it many times. Tina said that is reasonable for remedy. Okay, yeah, he very, very reasonable. Chibike Miracle, any small thing you will hear sabotage and all that. Hey, yes, so Ike Chuku said anybody against Caterpillar should go and watch Remedy's few hours ago program where Caterpillar praised COS and suggested they should report Asare. Then ask yourself, what is wrong? Did that man did by anyway? It is not yet time to praise him. So let us pipe low. In as much as I'm telling our people to calm down, not to go out. I'm not here to tell you to go and buy a jingle to start singing his name. And I'm not in support of that at all. We tend to hype everything about our people. So let him, if he praise anybody now, it doesn't matter. Let him not move an inch. He has a lot of things a lot of damage, a lot of things to put to right. You need to put a lot of things into right because you have done a lot of damages, and people don't like his presence. So let us not start buying, some music instrument to start to sing praises of him now. It is too early, please. Chibike said, if there is a war in a country, even the wicked criminal can become warriors. They will fight for. No, I said it. They don't understand that. They don't understand it yet. But like I said, many of them have not been in front line of any protest, let alone war. I know what I'm saying. Tina said, if Ogenkere brings Caterpillar to do the needful, we will accept him for fighting for the enemy, but not follow comrade. Edith Oji, thank you, Edith. Nice to have you. Kinsley Obidema, you are doing a great job. Thank you, Kinsley. Amaji Chigoze, Kai, I so much like the way you listen. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Tina said, Chiamaka Jere said more. Okay, I have gone through this one. And Tina, Kai hold important information a lot because set them out to Kai, you hold important information a lot. Biko, set them out to clear the air. No, 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 no. If I have no na in order, I will not lie to you. I'm serious about it. Okay. If I'm to bring it here, people will see this platform as a platform of saga, and some of the things may go against the unity that I talked about. So let us just calm down, okay? Let us proceed with caution. Yes, Caterpillar should ignore the okay. I've got this one. Can I read my okay? I've done that. Um, okay, let me start from because I think I've gone through many of this one here. Anthony Merge, enemy you know is better than enemy you don't know. Yes, so why I'm not reading it? I'm just choosing the one to read that, please, because some of them you guys are calling names. Ask these people. That's from Chuku Dozie Dim. Ask these people whom did this government contracted to go and chase Fulani in Ihamufu. This Chuku Dozie me. I doubt Iban inside. I can tell. I can tell. Iban inside. Amaji Chigoze said, because our people always use the word sabotage, and if the person he calls sabo buy into that, I believe there will be problem. Which, TBK, this will come and remind me something. Do you know that? Don't worry, please. I'm not gonna say it. So don't worry about it. Don't worry. Chichi baby said Kai is intelligent man. He always talk gently. Thank you. I don't see myself as intelligent, to be honest. Chichi said that is someone does not believe what you believe on. Does not mean. I mean, that doesn't mean that doesn't mean that he's sabo. I think that's what you should. That's what your message is all about. And Chibika said, everyone has their own opinion. Say that. Oh my goodness. Okay. I will say, but not now, my sister. Okay. Because the person told me, he told me those things in confidence. Just because he said that he watched my program and he liked my program. So he felt that he need to pass some information, which I respect. So I cannot just come here and start saying everything like. But the only thing you need to understand is that there are, if not because of the people that are going to hear some of the things, like the reasons, if those reasons is being tabled to you, for example, you will say okay. I'm being honest. You will say okay. But as long as life, his activities have cost lives. It is not easy to just wave it away. It's not his life. It's very, very, very precious. You can't compare. And let alone bragging about it, how you do this, or this or that. Sometimes hiring a former enemy is necessary. You can say that. One of the criticism against Caterpillar is that some of the money they gave to him to buy, some equipment, he ran away with the money, and some of the equipment that they gave to him, he ran away with it as well. Do you know that those equipment can be very dangerous if you ignore the presence of those equipment? Can be very dangerous. Let me just end it there. Even the scripture said that any kingdom that rise against its own, that kingdom will not stand. So our people should forget all the profit and work towards the vision. Work towards the vision, yes. That is it. I said something like that before, that even during the Nigerian Biafra Civil War, we were told that somehow Biafra buy their own soldiers. Yes, somehow those they are considered as saboteurs and all that. With that, you may say proper trial, but they have some of them they have evidence. So, but is it wise to buy just like that? Because according to what I was told, that if a soldier begin to buy their own, they don't win that war. It will be difficult for them to win the war. Like when a soldier turn around and start buying their own fellow soldier. In the battlefield, there it will be difficult for them to win that battle. I don't know if it's true, but maybe it's a special belief, maybe it's real, I don't know. So my people, that is why I decided to come live this night to share this with us. Even if you don't take anything away from what I said this night, one thing I want you to have in mind is that I am not in support of Caterpillar joining, but it's for the sake of the conjunction of government and people that are waiting to see government being teared apart by those who claim or who think they are supporting everything. They need to pipe low and see. Okay? So, and some of them, if you are one of those who think that I'm somehow attacking or pointing accusing finger on anybody, Tina says, Kai said, he said you can code it. Tina, you have my number. If you really want me to say, if you really want to hear, you call me after the program. Okay? You come after the program if you have my number. Anyway, thank you so much, my people. We have come to an end of this live stream. This is later broadcast. And before you go, please like the video. Like the video. And tomorrow we will come back again. And tomorrow is today. Not okay. This is a Saturday already. Today is fundraising. So please don't use all this side talk. Let it not deceive you. Let it not deceive you. God bless you all and have a wonderful weekend. But this country, Nigeria, now wow, the country Nigeria is like a room that shepherd gathered dogs, goats, and sheep and put them in the same room. They will start fighting. And the shepherd will be saying they will still stop. Or there will be peace. There will be peace when you have already put something that will tear everybody apart. So see you again. Good night. Bye bye, guys. God bless you all.